Hey, I'm back. I know, it's been a couple minutes. Life happens. Anyhow, I'm going to show you how I paint bodies. And as you can see, I didn't paint this one correctly. Didn't really take the time, have the time. And I painted it on the inside. You know, did what they said, washed it and all that crap. And then masked it off, painted it. And then as you see, after time goes by, the paint chips and falls out and all that other fun stuff. So, what I'm going to do this time is I've already lightly sanded it with a Brillo pad. I used a 4.0 or just 4 zeros, and went over the whole thing except for the windows. Masked off the windows inside and out. This side I didn't sand, but I am going to paint it. Now, to get the windows, the easiest way I found was just putting tape right over it, and then get an X-Acto knife or razor blade and just cut inside the groove. Done. Now, first I'm going to paint the inside chrome. Yes, nice metal color. When that's done and dry, I'm going to paint it black, so that way when you look at the vehicle from an angle, you're not going to see up inside that it's silver. It's going to be black. It's just going to blend right in. And then the outside, you can paint whatever color you want. I'm just going to stick with the black because that's what I got. I might go blue. I'm not sure. But then you paint on the outside, and you're saying, no, because that doesn't protect it. You're supposed to paint on the inside and protect the paint. But if you paint on the outside and you roll it over like you normally do and it gets scratched up, them scratches will show the silver that you painted on the inside, giving your truck that more realistic look. Now, thinking that way, should you also paint around the bottom and the fenders a rust color, so as the paint comes off again, you'll have rust. So that way it rewards you for playing with it. You know, the more you bash it up, the more real it's going to look. I have fallen into the painting them up real nice and good, and then the thing lives on the shelf for the rest of your life because you're afraid to scratch it up. Well, this time I'm going to make it that you're going to want to scratch it up. Oh well, thanks for watching. And there you go, all finished. Didn't do much with the interior because this is just going to be my, I guess you would call it, basher truck. Believe it or not, this poor thing, I got it when it first came out years ago. We're talking what, like 10, 15 years ago? And it's been living on the shelf this whole time. And I put a little bit of silver right there, so that way it reminds me when this gets scratched, it should be that silver there underneath, making it look more real. And then underside, I painted it black too, so that way it wouldn't be all silver. Kind of makes it look more real. Now, if I don't remember where I put my side mirrors, put them on there, and my spare tire. But that's how I do it. And she came out a little bit too tall, but it also looks like she's trying to lean up forward to help see getting over boulders and stuff. Yep, thanks for watching.